Well, son of a... It's back. Well, if you've watched the last 3 weeks of Wednesday's videos, you should recognize this van. It's back. Well, good news is it's not back for an engine problem. It's back for a transmission problem. It left, it came back, transmission's not wanting to work right in high gear on the highway. Yay. Fluid level was a little high, but correct. So doing a transmission service on it, hoping for the best, but yay, it came back. I cannot get rid of this dang van. It sucks. I'm sure you're sick of seeing it because, well, kind of almost looks like a green screen I'm behind, but I'm not actually. I'm here in the front of the car. But anyway, yeah, it's back. It sucks. I'm sure you all have had this experience where a car just won't leave. You know, if it does leave, it comes right back. And, well, what can you say? Tomorrow's Friday. If it doesn't fix it, try to sell them a transmission, because I couldn't drive it when it came in because literally engine locked up in the parking lot. So it might have had this problem, might have not. I don't know. We'll see after transmission service whether or not it drives out of here or I have to put a transmission in it. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. I hate this freaking van.